In this objective question, from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct hormone formed by the mammalian corpus luteum. For this, we need to avoid the wrong option to specify the correct option. Why we are ignoring option A? Why? Because estrogen is not formed by the corpus luteum. Estrogen is formed by the granulosa cells of the follicle. So we are avoiding option A. Why we are avoiding option C? Why? Because human core ionogorgonotrophin is formed by the endometrium of the uterus, not formed by the corpus luteum. Why we are avoiding option D? Because the relaxin is a hormone formed by the placental tissue, not by the corpus luteum. Why we are accepting progesterone? Why? Because progesterone is formed by the corpus luteum. This hormone production is mandatory to maintain the pregnancy. With this specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer. In this picture, we can see the formation of the corpus luteum from the ruptured mesographene follicle to make progesterone. With this specification, we are choosing option B as the correct option after ignoring option A, C and D to secure 4 mark. What are the points we told with this option as well as with this diagram? We are giving us a recap to take the NEET notes for future reference. An endocrine structure that is transitory and involved in early pregnancy and ovulation is the corpus luteum. Progesterone is a primary secretory product of corpus luteum and is necessary for initiation and continuation of the pregnancy. With this specification, we are choosing option B as a correct answer to secure 4 mark.